Hi there, Ben with WTI here. I want to share my thoughts on the tomtoc 360 laptop case. If you're going to invest in a laptop, you got to invest in a good case, and the tomtoc 360 has served my needs just fine. Let me share some details on it. Okay, so start off with, this is the pocket for the laptop itself. So just slide it in and out. It's got a plush cushioned area in there, so that'll keep it nice and safe. And then you got this front pocket over here. You can see I got some cables, my mouse in there. So even though it's very slim, low, thin profile, it's very functional. It's got a lot of space for a small package. So if you've got a MacBook Air or any other compatible laptops and you're looking for a lightweight, streamlined, yet functional laptop case, the tomtoc 360 is a great option for you, and that's my point of view.